Okay, students, start the class. If theta is angle given by cos theta is equal to cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma by sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma, where alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by a line with the axis OX, OY, OZ respectively, then the value of theta is. Friends, alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by the line with the OX, OY, OZ. Then cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal formula, friends. What is the value of cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma? 1. Sin square alpha 1 by 2. Since cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to cos 60. Cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. Answer 60 degrees. Okay, so next problem. Next question, friend. A line AB. Next question. A line AB, three-dimensional space, three-dimensional space, three-dimensional space makes angles 45 degrees and 120 degrees with the positive x-axis, with the positive x-axis, with the positive x-axis and the positive y-axis, and the positive y-axis, and the positive y-axis respectively. If AB makes acute angle theta with the positive z-axis, then theta is equal to friends, next problem. A line AB, three-dimensional space makes angles 45 degrees and 120 degrees with the positive x-axis and the y-axis. If AB makes acute angle theta with positive z-axis, friends, x-axis alpha, y-axis beta, z-axis angle gamma, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal 1. Friends, x-axis angle alpha, y-axis angle beta, z-axis gamma, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal 1. Friend, here cos square alpha is equal 45 degrees. Cos square alpha 45. Next, beta is equal to 120 degrees. Z-axis angle theta, friends, gamma is equal theta. Here calculate theta, friends. Here apply the formula cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Friends, cos square alpha is equal 45, cos square beta, cos square 120 degrees plus cos square gamma, cos square theta is equal 1. So cos 45 degrees, friends, cos 45 1 by root 2 whole square plus cos square 120 degrees, friends, cos 120 degrees is equal to, friends, cos 120 is equal to cos 180 minus 60. 180 minus theta, second quadrant. In second quadrant is cos negative. minus cos 60 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 whole square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 by root 2 whole square 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So here calculate theta. So cos square theta is equal 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Friends, so here LCM is 4. 4 minus 2 minus 1. So cos square theta is equal to 4 minus 3 1 by 4. Since cos square theta is equal 1 by 4, since cos theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Cos theta is equal plus or minus 1 by 2. Since cos theta is equal to plus 1 by 2. What is the value of theta? Since 60. Cos theta is equal minus 1 by 2. What is the value of theta? Since 120 degrees. 60 or 120. Why is blur వస్తుంది? Voice is no problem. Okay, students, voice is clear? Next problem. The projections, the projections, the projections of a vector, on the coordinate axis, on the coordinate axis, on the coordinate axis are 6 minus 3 and 2 respectively. Then the direction cosines, of the vector Friends, vector, you already studied friends vector in physics and maths. Vectors, vector has both magnitude and direction. Friends, directed line segment is called a vector. Friends, in the previous class, here the projections of a vector on the coordinate axis are 6 minus 3 and 2. Friends, in the previous class, projection of AB on x-axis is equal formula, friends, x2 minus x1, comma, projection of AB on y-axis, y2 minus y1, comma, projection of AB on z-axis, z2 minus z1. Friends, in last class, projection of here given projection of a vector on the coordinate axis. Friends, projection of AB and x-axis formula x2 minus x1. Friends, this value is x2 minus x1. Friends, x2 minus x1 is equal to 6. Projection of AB and y-axis. Coordinate axis means x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. y2 minus y1 is equal to minus 3. Next, z2 minus z1 is equal to. Friends, direction ratios of line joining x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3 are formula, friends. x2 minus x1. Friends, these are direction ratios. Friends, a is equal to 6. Direction ratios formula, friends. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So these are direction ratios, friends. 6. A is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 2. Here calculate direction cosines. What is the direction cosines formula? A by root of a square plus b square plus c square, comma b by root of a square plus b square plus c square, comma c by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Direction cosines. Friends, in last class, projection of AB on x-axis. Friends, these are direction ratios. In previous class, projection of AB and x-axis formula x2 minus x1, y2 minus y-axis y2 minus y1, z-axis z2 minus z1. So that is equal to direction ratios formula. These are direction ratios. Here calculate direction cosines. Friends, a by friends, root of a square plus b square plus 6 square c square, 36 plus 9 plus 4. 40, 49, root 49, 7, 6 by 7, comma, minus 3 by 7, comma, 2 by 7. This is the answer, friends. Friends, now voice is clear? Okay. Friends, the problem? Friends, projections of coordinate axis. Projection formula x-axis x2 minus x1, y-axis y2 minus y1, z-axis z2 minus z1. That is equal to direction ratios formula x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. These are direction ratios. Here calculate direction cosines. Students completed. Next problem. If P is equal to 0, comma 1, comma 2. Next Q is equal to 4, comma minus 2, comma 1. Next O is equal to 0, comma 0, comma 0. Then angle POQ. Friends, angle POQ. Here calculate angle POQ. And this is origin O, P, this is Q. Here calculate angle between POQ. So here theta is angle between the line OP and OQ. Should calculate direction ratios of OP, direction ratios of OQ. Angle between the lines is equal formula cos theta is equal A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. So first calculate direction ratios of OP. So direction ratios formula x2 minus x1, comma. So direction ratios formula x2 minus x1, comma y2 minus y1, comma z2 minus z1. So that is equal x2 minus x1. So here O is x1 y1 z1. So this is x1 y1 z1. x2 y2 z2, x2 minus x1 0 minus 0 0, y2 minus y1 0 minus 1 minus 1, z2 minus z1 0 minus 2 minus 2. Next, direction ratios of OQ is equal to, so direction ratios of OQ same, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, 4 minus 0 4, minus 2 minus 0 minus 2, 1 minus 0 1. Friends, angle between lines cos theta is equal to formula mod of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. So cos theta is equal to, so it's a1 a2. So this is a1 b1 c1. This is a2 b2 c2. a1 a2 is equal to, since a1 a2 0 into 4 0 plus b1 b2 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 plus c1 c2 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 by, since root of a1 square 0 square plus 1 square plus 2 square 4 plus 1 5 root 5. Next, root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. So 16 plus 4 4 square 16 plus 2 square 4, 16 plus 4 20 plus 1 root 21. But here friends, 2 minus 2 0, cos theta is equal to 0. So cos theta is equal to 0. What is the value of theta friends? 90 degrees. Cos 90 is 0. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. Hmm? Okay, next problem. If the line joining the points, if the line joining the points if the line joining the points k comma 1 comma 2, next 3 comma 4 comma 6 is parallel to the, is parallel to the line joining the points line joining the points line joining the points line joining the points minus 4 comma 3 comma minus 6 5 comma 12 comma L, then k comma L is equal to, first two lines are parallel, then formula a1 by a2 is equal b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, where a1 b1 c1 are direction ratios of line 1, a2 b2 c2 are direction ratios of line 2. So here two lines are parallel, Formula A1 by A2 is equal B1 by B2 is equal C1 by C2. A1, B1, C1 are the direction ratios of line 1. So first calculate direction ratios of line 1. So direction ratios formula x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1, so 3 minus k, comma, y2 minus y1, 4 minus 1, 3. Next z2 minus z1, 6 minus 2, 4. Next direction ratios of line 2. x2 minus x1, so here x2 minus x1, 5 minus or minus 4, 5 plus 4, 9. y2 minus y1, 12 minus 3, 9. Z2 minus Z1, friends, L minus or minus plus 6, L plus 6. Parallel, so parallel, formula A1 by A2 is equal, B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Friends, A1 by A2, 3 minus K by 9 is equal, B1 by B2, 3 by 9 is equal, C1 by C2, 4 by L by 6. Friends, equating these two, we get L. Equating these two, we get a K. First, equating these two, friends, here 3 by 9 is equal 4 by L plus 6. 3 ones, 3 threes. Cross multiply, friends. L plus 6 is equal to 3 fours are 12. L is equal to 12 minus 6, 6. L is equal to 6. Next, K is equal to, friends, equating these two. So 3 minus K by 9 is equal to 3 by 9. So here 9 get cancelled. So take this to left hand side. 3 minus 3 is equal. Take this to right hand side. K 0. K is equal to 0. L is equal to 6. So its two lines are perpendicular. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 0. Okay, so next problem. Next question. If the line joining the points, next problem. If the line joining the points minus 1 comma 2 comma 3, 2 comma minus 1 comma 4 is perpendicular to the line joining the points x minus 2 4 comma 1 2 3, then x is equal to so if the line joining the points minus 1 comma 2 comma 3, 2 comma minus 1 comma 4 is perpendicular to the line joining the points x comma minus 2 comma 4, 1 comma 2 comma 3, then x is equal. First two lines are perpendicular. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 0. Parallel A1 by A2 is equal, B1 by B2 is equal, C1 by C2. Friends, here A1 B1 C1 are the direction ratios of line 1. A2 B2 C2 are the direction ratios of line 2. So first calculate direction ratio of line 1. So here this is line 1, this is line 2, so line joining the points. First direction ratios of line 1. Direction ratios of line 1 is direction ratios formula x2 minus x1. Friends, x2 minus x1, 2 minus or minus 1, 3. y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 z2 minus z1 4 minus 3 1. Next, direction ratios of line 2. Formula x2 minus x1 friends, 1 minus x comma y2 minus y1 2 minus or minus 2 2 plus 2 4. Next, z2 minus z1 3 minus 4 minus 1. Friends, perpendicular a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Parallel a1 by a2 is equal b1 by b2 is equal c1 by c2. a1 a2 3 into 1 minus x plus b1 b2 minus 3 into 4 plus c1 c2 1 into minus 1 is equal to 0. So 3 minus 3x minus 12 minus 1 is equal to 0. Friends, here 3 minus 12 3 minus 12 minus 9 minus 9 minus 1 minus 10 is equal to 3x. X is equal minus 10 by 3. Okay. Next problem. Ax1 comma y1 comma z1 b is equal to x2 comma y2 comma z2 are 2 points if L comma M comma N are the direction cosines of CD. Direction cosines of CD and L into x2 minus x1 plus M into y2 minus y1 plus N into z2 minus z1 N into z2 minus z1 is equal to 0. Then the cosine of the angle between the lines AB and CD is angle between the lines AB and CD is. Friends, here L into x2 minus x1. Friends, here this is ax1 y1 z1 b x2 y2 z2 are 2 points. LMN are the direction cosines of CD. LMN are the direction here. Friends, here LMN are the direction cosines of CD. Friends, x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1. Friends, these are direction ratios of AB. Friends, direction ratios of AB x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1. What is direction cosines, friends? Direction cosines is equal to x2 minus x1 by AB, comma y2 minus y1 by AB, plus, comma z2 minus z1 by AB. So direction cosines of AB is, so these are direction ratios. Direction cosines is equal to x2 minus x1 by root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. That is AB. Friends, have understood? Friend, here x2 minus x1 by direction ratios formula. This is A, this is B, this is C. A by root of a square x2 minus x1 whole square plus b square y2 minus y1 whole square plus c square z2 minus z1 whole square. That is distance between AB x2 minus x1 by AB y2 minus y1 by AB, comma z2 minus z1 by AB. Should here given L into x2 minus x1 plus m into y2 minus y1 plus n into z2 minus z1 is equal to 0. Friends, dividing by AB on both sides, dividing by AB, L into x2 minus x1 by AB plus m into y2 minus y1 by AB plus n into z2 minus z1 by AB is equal to 0. Friends, here, all of you look at the board, friends. Friends, this is direction cosines of L1. These are direction cosines of second lesson. LMN are the direction cosines of CD. X2 minus x1 by AB, y2 minus y1 by AB, z2 minus z1 by AB are direction cosines of CD. Sorry, direction cosines of AB. Friends, L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2 is equal to 0. What is the angle, friends? Friends, LMN are the direction cosines of CD. X2 minus x1 by AB, y2 minus y1 by AB, z2 minus z1 by AB are the direction cosines of AB. L1, L2 plus L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2 is equal to 0. Angle is equal to theta is equal to 90 degrees. L1, M1, N1, L2, M2 are the direction cosines. Angle is equal to formula L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2. Here L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2 is 0. Angle 90. But if all of look at the board here, calculate cosine. Cosine of the angle between lines. So here angle between is 90. Cosine means cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. Answer 0. So here calculate cosine of the angle between lines AB and CD. Here angle between AB and CD is 90. But here cosine of the angle between lines means cos 90. Cos 90 is equal to 0. Answer 0. Friends have understood? Theta 90. But here calculate cosine of the angle between the lines AB and CD. Angle between AB and CD is 90. But here calculate cosine of the angle between lines AB and CD. Cosine means cos. Take cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. Friends, 24 hours మాత్రమే మీరు మళ్ళీ రికార్డ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. తర్వాత మాత్రం మీకు కనిపించదు. ఓన్లీ 24 అవర్స్ మాత్రమే మీరు చూసుకోవచ్చు. అవైలబిలిటీ ఉంటుంది వీడియో. 24 అవర్స్ తర్వాత వీడియో మీకు ఉండదు. ఎవరైనా క్లాస్ మిస్ అయితే మీరు చూసుకోవచ్చు 24 అవర్స్ లోపు. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. The area of the triangle. Next question. The area of the triangle. The area of the triangle formed by the points. Formed by the points 2, 3, 5, minus 1, 3, 2, and 3, 5, minus 2 is first option 18 root 2, second option 9, third option 18, fourth option 9 root 2. Friends, tomorrow exam 11 to 12, friends, maths exam 11 to 12. Friends, 11 to 12 also same. Friends, మీరు జాయిన్ అయ్యి ఎగ్జామ్ రాయడం ఆన్లైన్ సేమ్ టీచ్ మింట్ యాప్ నుంచి ఎగ్జామ్ రాస్తారు మీరు టుమారో. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ది ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది ట్రయాంగిల్ formed by the points 2, 3, 5, minus 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, minus 2. Friends, area of the triangle, this is 3-dimensional geometry, friends. Friends, power problem, friends. Our power is gone. Friends, power ఇప్పుడే వచ్చింది power. Okay, friends. The area of the triangle formed by the points 2, 3, 5 minus 1, 3, 2, 3, comma 5, comma minus 2 is. ఫ్రెండ్స్ మీకు ఇప్పుడు 1 ఇయర్లో ఏ టాపిక్ జరుగుతుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్? 1 ఇయర్లో ఇప్పుడు 1 ఇయర్లో ఏ టాపిక్? మార్నింగ్ క్లాస్ 7:30 to 9 to 10. Okay, friends. Friends, anyway, this is three-dimensional geometry. Friends, in two-dimensional geometry, what is the formula of area of the triangle? In two-dimensional geometry, area of the triangle is equal to formula of into mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So in two-dimensional geometry, area of the triangle formula. Friends, in three-dimensional geometry, area of the triangle is equal formula. Friends, of mod AB bar cross AC bar. Friends, in vectors, AB bar is equal formula. Friends, AB bar is equal formula. Friends, in vectors, OB bar minus OA bar. Okay, friends, this is 2I bar plus 3J bar plus 5K bar. Okay, friends, this is 2I bar plus 3J bar plus 5K bar. Next, second vector, OB bar is equal to friends, minus I bar plus 3J bar plus 2K bar. Next, OC bar is equal to 3I bar plus 5J bar minus 2K bar. Okay, friends, OA bar, OB bar, OC bar. Friends, next calculate AB bar. Friends, AB bar is equal formula OB bar minus OA bar. Friends, OB bar minus OA bar minus I bar plus 3J bar plus 2K bar minus OA bar is equal to 2I bar plus 3J bar plus 5K bar. Friends, that is equal to minus I minus 2I minus 3I bar plus 3J bar minus 3J bar. Friends, 0 plus 2K bar minus 5K bar minus 3K bar. This is AB bar. Next AC bar. Next calculate AC bar. AC bar is equal to OC bar minus OA bar. Friends, OC bar is equal to 3I bar plus 5J bar minus 2K bar minus 2K bar minus OA bar is equal to I bar plus 3J bar plus 5K bar. So that is equal 3I minus 2I, I bar, 5J bar minus 3J bar, friends, plus 2J bar, friends, minus 2K bar minus 5K bar, friends, minus 7K bar. So here calculate AB bar cross AC bar. All of you look at the board, friends. Friends, this is cross product. Friends, in vectors cross product formation, all of you look at the board, friends. In cross product, first row IJK. Next, AB components, friends. AB components minus 3. Here no J, friends. Here no J. 0. Minus 3. Next, AC components 1, 2, minus 7. Friends, friends in matrices, you know determinants, friends. Okay, friends. That expand that, friends. I into, friends. I into 0 plus 6 minus j into, friends, minus j into 7 3s are 21, AD minus BC 21 plus 3 plus k into minus 6 minus 0. So that is equal 6I bar minus 24J bar minus 6K bar. First write down, friends, write down. So this is OA bar, OB bar, OC bar. Next calculate AB bar, AC bar. Next AB bar cross AC bar. Okay, okay, friends. Friends, area is equal formula. Friends, area is equal formula. Area of triangle ABC is equal formula of mod AB bar cross AC bar. Friends, half into. Friends, this is AB bar cross AC bar. So next calculate mod of AB bar cross AC bar. Mod is equal formula, friends. Mod is equal root of x square 6 square plus minus 24 whole square plus minus 6 whole square. So mod is equal formula. Friends, mod is equal. Friends, mod of AB bar cross AC bar is equal to root of my 6 square. Friends, x component I x square plus y square minus 24 whole square plus z square 6 square. So 1 by 2 into root option, this is 36 plus 576 plus 36. So that is equal to take 36 common, friends. 1 by 2 into friends 36 common, 36 into 1 plus 1 plus friends 13 16 friends 13 16 friends 13 16 576. 1 by 2 into root 36 6 root 18 9 into 2 1 by here 2 3s are 6 3 into root 9 3. So that is equal to answer 9 root 2. Answer 9 into root 2. Okay, so next problem. Friends, in a previous class, the projection of the line AB on the line whose direction cosines are LMN. What is the formula, friends? Projection of AB on the line whose direction cosines are LMN. Formula mod of L into projection of AB on the line whose direction cosines are LMN. Formula L into x2 minus x1 plus m into y2 minus y1 plus n into z2 minus z1. Questions? Next problem. If p is equal, friends, if p is equal to 3 comma 4 comma 5. Next q is equal to 4 comma 6 3 4 6 3. Next r is equal to minus 1 2 4 r minus 1 2 4. Next and s is equal 1 comma 0 comma 5 are 4 points are 4 points are 4 points. Then the projection of rs on pq. Friends, projection of AB bar on the line whose direction cosines. Here projection of RS bar on PQ bar. Friends, projection of RS bar, projection of AB bar. Here calculate direction ratios of RS bar. PQ, direction cosines of PQ LMN. Apply this formula. Friends, direction ratios of RS bar is equal. Direction ratios formula x2 minus x1 minus 1, sorry, x direction ratios of RS. 1 minus or minus plus 1 2 y2 minus y1, 0 minus 2, minus 2, 5 minus 4, 1. Direction ratios formula x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus z1. Next, direction ratios of PQ is equal to, friends, x2 minus x1, 4 minus 3, 1, 6 minus 4, 2, 3 minus 5, minus 2. Friends, direction projection of AB bar on the line whose direction cosines. Here calculate direction cosines of PQ. Friend, direction cosines of PQ is equal to, friend, direction cosines is equal to formula A by root of A square plus B square plus C square, 1 by root of A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 1 plus 4 root 9 3, 1 by 3. Next, 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Friend, this is LMN. Therefore, projection is equal to L into x2 minus x1 plus m into y2 minus y1 plus n into z2 minus z1. Since that is equal to L is equal to 1 by 3 into x2 minus x1 2 plus m into 2 by 3 into y2 minus y1 minus 2 plus n into minus 2 by 3 into z2 minus z1 1. Friends, that is equal final answer, friends, 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 get cancelled. Mod of minus 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3. Answer plus 4 by 3. Okay, okay. Next problem. If a line, if a line makes angles, if a line makes angles alpha comma beta comma gamma with coordinate axis, if alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees, then cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square is equal to, friends, first option 1 plus sin 2 alpha, second option 1 plus cos 2 alpha, third option 1 minus sin 2 alpha, fourth option 1. Friends, if a line makes angles alpha, beta, gamma with coordinate axis, formula cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. But here calculate cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square is equal. So cos square alpha plus, friends, alpha plus beta is equal 90. Cos square beta is equal to 90 minus alpha plus cos square gamma is equal 1. Cos square alpha plus cos square 90. So it's 90 cos becomes sin square alpha plus cos square gamma is equal 1. So cos square alpha plus sin square alpha 1. 1 plus cos square gamma is equal 1. 1 1 get cancelled. cos square gamma is equal 0. Cos gamma is equal 0. So cos gamma is equal 0. Cos gamma is equal to 90 degrees. So cos gamma 0, gamma is equal 90. So here calculate cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square. So cos alpha plus cos beta plus beta is equal, friends, beta is equal to 90 minus alpha plus gamma is equal to 90 cos 90 0 whole square. So cos alpha plus cos 90 minus alpha sin alpha plus 0 whole square. So here apply the formula a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 cos alpha into sin alpha. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha 1. Friends, already told in 2 cos alpha sin alpha or 2 sin alpha cos alpha formula sin 2 alpha. Friends, 2 sin alpha cos alpha is equal sin 2 alpha. 1 plus sin 2 alpha answer. Friends, in this app, board is clear, friends. Friends, board is clear in this app. ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరైనా ఆబ్సెంట్ అంటే వాళ్ళకి మీరు చెప్పండి ఎలా జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి క్లాస్. అంటే ఏది బెటర్ అనిపిస్తుంది మీకు, జూమ్ బెటర్ ఉందా, ఏది క్లారిటీ ఉంది స్టూడెంట్స్ అది చెప్పండి నాకు, ఏది క్లారిటీ ఉంది? జూమ్ క్లారిటీ ఉందా? అవునా? ఫ్రెండ్స్ 2 cos a sin a formula sin 2a sin of a plus b is equal formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Substitute in the formula, substitute in the formula, substitute b is equal to a, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. Friends, 2 sin alpha cos alpha sin 2 alpha. Okay, friends, next problem. Okay, so next problem. The foot of the perpendicular, next question. The foot of the perpendicular from, one second, should I take AP question? So foot of the perpendicular from, one second, friends, one second, IP. Friends, A, point A, 1 comma 8 comma 4. Point B, 0 comma minus 11 comma 4. Point C, 2 comma minus 3 comma 1. Are 3 points. Are 3 points. Are 3 points. And D is the foot of the perpendicular. D is the foot of the perpendicular from A to BC. A to BC. Find the coordinates of D. Find the coordinates of D. So this is page number 146. Page number 146. Example 7. Page number 146, example 7. Friends, in straight lines, foot of the perpendicular. So here, A, B, C are 3 points. D is the, so point D is the foot of the perpendicular from A to BC. So this is A, this is BC. So this point is foot of the perpendicular. This point is foot of the perpendicular. Here calculate this point. So here point A is 184. So here point B is 0 comma minus 11 comma 4. Point C is 2 comma minus 3 comma 1. So this point is projection or foot of the perpendicular from A to BC. Here D is foot of the perpendicular from A to BC. So this point is projection or foot of the perpendicular. So here this line divides BC. So here I am taking, so here ratio is given. So I am taking D divides BC in the ratio is lambda is to 1. Friends, I am taking D divides BC in the ratio is lambda is to 1. Friends, apply section formula. What is section formula? Ratio is m is to n. Section formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n comma mz2 plus nz1 by m plus n. So here let D divides A, B is in the ratio lambda is to 1. Friends, coordinates of D is equal mx2. Friends, mx2 here lambda into x2 2 x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 mx2 lambda into 2 2 lambda plus nx1 1 into 0 0 by m plus n lambda plus 1. Next, my2 lambda into minus 3 lambda plus n by 1 into minus 11 by lambda plus 1. Next, mz2 lambda into 1 plus nz1 1 into 4 by lambda plus 1. Friends, this is the point D. So in point D, friends, how to calculate D? Friends, how to calculate D? All of look at the portions. BC line, BC and AD perpendicular. Friends, in three-dimensional geometry, two lines are perpendicular A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2, 0. Friends, here direction ratios of BC, next direction ratios of AD. First calculate direction ratios of BC. Friends, here BC, AD perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular. Formula A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2, 0. First calculate direction ratios of BC. Direction ratios formula x2 minus x1, 2 minus 0, 2, y2 minus y1, minus 3 plus 11. So direction ratios of BC is equal to direction ratios formula x2 minus x1, 2 minus 0, y2 minus y1, minus 3 plus 11, minus 3 plus 11, 8. So minus 3 plus 11, 8. Next, 1 minus 4, minus 3. Next, friends, direction ratios of AD is equal to. Friend, this is x1, y1, z1. Friend, this is x2, y2, z2. x2 minus x1. Friends, 2 lambda by lambda plus 1 minus 1, comma y2 minus y1 minus 3 lambda minus 11 by lambda plus 1 minus 8, comma next friends, lambda plus 4 by lambda plus 1 minus 4. Friends, direction ratios of AD is equal. So here LCM is lambda plus 1, 2 lambda minus 1 by lambda plus 1, comma, minus 3 lambda minus 11 minus 8 lambda minus 8 by lambda plus 1, comma. So here LCM is lambda plus 1, lambda plus 4, minus 4 lambda minus 4 by lambda plus 1. Write down, so write down. Okay, okay. Students simplify. So here lambda minus 1 by lambda plus 1 comma. So here minus 3 lambda minus 11 lambda minus 19 by lambda plus 1 comma lambda minus 4 lambda minus 3 lambda by lambda plus 1. Okay friends, here AD is perpendicular to BC. Friends, A1, A2, two lines are perpendicular. A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2, 0. So this is A1, B1, C1. So this is A2, B2, C2. Since A1, A2, 2 into lambda minus 1 by lambda plus 1 plus B1, 8, B2 minus 11 lambda minus 19 by lambda plus 1 plus C1 minus 3 into minus 3 lambda by lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. Simplify. LCM lambda plus 1, so here 2 lambda minus 2 minus 88 lambda minus 19 8 students, 19 8 sir, 162 students, 152 minus 152 plus 9 lambda. So by lambda plus 1 cross multiply 0 students, 2 lambda plus 2 plus 9 11, 88 minus 11, 88 minus 11 77 minus 77 lambda. So this value is 2 plus 50 to 154. Take this on right hand side. So 17 2s are 154. Lambda is equal to minus 2. Lambda is equal to minus 2. Friends, substitute lambda. Friends, substitute lambda. 2 into minus 2 by minus 2 plus 1 comma minus 3 into minus 2 minus 11 by minus 2 plus 1 comma minus 2 plus 4 by minus 2 plus 1. So that is equal minus 4 by minus 1. So here plus 6, 6 minus 11, 6 minus 11 minus 5 by minus 1 comma minus 2 plus 4, 2 by minus 1. So here 4 5 minus 2, answer 4 comma 5 comma minus 2. Okay students, today practice these problems. Students, tomorrow 11 to 12 exam, maths exam. Okay students, end the class.